girls, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be working on a very exciting project and it's going to be different from what I've done so far, and it's going to be an installation. Here is my plan before I did this, and I kind of brainstormed what I was going to do. And the second step is when I'm getting on to cutting the holes out of the paper using X-Acto knives. Now, this took me forever and my hand really hurts, but it was definitely worth it, and I don't have a hole puncher, but even if I did, I wouldn't want to use it because it creates perfect circles, and that's not the goal here. I really don't know where this idea came from. I kind of just sat there and then it just rushed into my head, and I had to write it down and I had to work on it. But halfway through, or just right here, I'm not really sure what I was going to do with them. I just knew that I was going to set them up on a piece of string, which we will see, and each of the parts represent different periods of time, as I just showed. Past, present, and future. And the idea is that when you overlay them together, you'll still get lights peeking through it, as you can see here. And the third step is setting up the whole installation. Now, I moved the setting from this place to another place because I just felt like it was so hard to work in this space, and the wall wasn't big enough. But here I was just showing you I used tape to put them on there perpendicular to each other, so you'll see how it works later. That is about what I've done for the first day for this project. It was kind of in the evening, so I just laid the whole thing on the floor and waited until tomorrow. And the second day is Saturday, and I did 7 more. No, I did 4 more, so there's 7 pieces of paper in total, and this is the last 4 that I did. They also represent 3 periods of time, and the one with the just one small hole, you'll see how I'm going to be using it, but it's not going to be entirely the whole part of this project. And now see, this is where I moved it. It's kind of in the staircase, and I used tape to tape them from one wall to another one, which actually hang on pretty well, so I was really impressed, and I didn't damage the wall. And then I just put all of the papers that I've created and sticked it on the string as well, and it's just some normal sewing string that you could buy about anywhere, and it's always like really, there's a lot of string, so you don't have to worry about wasting them. And this is the arrangement that I decided to do for them. So each represent either past, present, or future. So it's kind of like the timeline. And at the end, I named this piece the evolution of time, which I think really fits as well. And here is just another different view from what this whole thing looks like in around the space here. And here is me starting in the process of filming it, and I will be showing you the final product in just a second. So basically every time I film one, I take one out or just scooch it to the back so I don't see it, and then I'll be filming it. So here is the result, and please enjoy. I hope you like what I've done here today, and see you next time. Bye.